prayer I make to heaven above, to be with you forever, sealed by our eternal love. You won't ever change until we're gray and old, a timeless story that will never be told. This love we have, I pray it never ends. Thank you for your priceless love, my darling and my friend. Ikaw ang tanging dasal sa may kapal, makasama habang buhay, di magbabago hanggang sa pagtanda. Sana ang ating pagmamahal ay walang katapusan. Salamat sa pagmamahal mong walang katumbas, pag-ibig mo